Specifically, what makes this particular area of interest for the installation?
So particulate matter concentrations can vary depending on where you are because there's a variety of sources. So you want to have ideally as much purple air sensors or air quality sensors up in a general area so you can see how the air quality varies depending on where you are. So right now we're in central St. Louis, but we ideally would want to have purple air sensors in the north and the south, maybe in the county as well, to see if there's disparities when it comes to the air quality conditions in St. Louis.
What should people consider if they're installing their own purple air monitor?
So you want to consider first the cost. So some of them can cost around $300. So you want to see if that's a price that's in your range. You also want to consider if you have a strong enough Wi-Fi, because it needs to be able to, well, depending on if you want to have it outdoors, it's going to need to connect to Wi-Fi for you to see the data real time. So you'll want to maybe look at your phone, go outside and see if you can actually connect to your Wi-Fi in a variety of ranges. And you want to put the purple air in an open area where the air has good wind flow and you're not getting stagnant air. And besides that, you want to have someone who's going to be able to monitor the purple air to see if it's still being connected to the Wi-Fi or if it's still getting electricity, because if not, then you're going to be missing opportunities to see the air quality conditions.